Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to break down 10 popular machine learning algorithms using real-world examples that anyone can understand. Whether you're just getting started with machine learning or you're looking to refresh your understanding, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Let's start with linear regression. Imagine you're a gardener and you want to know how much fertilizer you should use to get the best plant growth. You track how much fertilizer you use and how tall the plants grow. After plotting this on a graph, you draw a line that best predicts future plant growth based on how much fertilizer you use. That's what linear regression does. It finds the best fit line to predict outcomes based on input features. Next up is logistic regression. Think of it like contestants perform and the judges either hit a green button to let them through or a red button to send them home. Logistic regression helps you make these types of yes or no decisions, classifying outcomes like true, false, or success or failure. Have you ever played the game 20 questions? You ask a series of yes/no questions to narrow down the options until you guess what your friend is thinking. That's exactly how a decision tree works. Each question divides the data into smaller parts, helping the algorithm make better decisions as you go. Random forest takes the idea of a decision tree but levels it up. It's like having a committee of investors making a decision. Each person gives their opinion based on their own experience, and then you combine all their decisions to make the final call. That's how random forest works. It combines multiple decision trees to improve accuracy. SVM is like organizing fans at a sports event. Imagine two groups of rival fans. You separate them as much as possible by tying a ribbon down the middle of the stands. This ribbon is called a hyperplane, and when new people arrive, you can quickly decide which side they belong to. That's how SVM separates different classes. Ever wondered how your email filters out spam? That's naive Bayes in action. The algorithm looks for specific words like free, click here, or limited offer, and predicts whether an email is spam. It does this by assuming all these words are independent of each other, even if they appear in the same message. Now let's talk about K-nearest neighbors, or KNN. Imagine you're deciding where to eat, and you ask a group of friends for recommendations. Each friend suggests their favorite restaurant. The place that gets the most votes? That's the one you choose. KNN works similarly. It looks at the closest data points, and whichever class gets the majority vote, that's the prediction it makes. K-means clustering is like organizing people into groups. Say you have a group of 18 people and you want to divide them into 3 teams. At first, you randomly assign them into groups. Then you ask them about their interests, and rearrange them into teams based on who has the most similar preferences. This process repeats until you have the best-fitting teams. That's how K-means clusters data based on similarity. PCA is like packing a suitcase for a vacation. You want to fit in as many important items as possible, so you start with the essentials. If there's still space, you add less important things, but if it gets too full, you leave them out. PCA reduces complex data by focusing on the most important features and ignoring the less relevant ones. Finally, gradient boosting is like studying for a test. After each test, you review what you got wrong, focus on those weak spots, and improve your score on the next test. Gradient boosting works the same way. It keeps building on small models, correcting errors as it goes until it creates a strong, accurate prediction. And that's a wrap. I hope these real-world analogies made machine learning algorithms easier to understand. Whether you're gardening, judging a talent show, or organizing a group of friends, machine learning is all around us, solving problems in creative ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to learn more. See you in the next one. Outro music with visuals. End screen. Thanks for watching.